Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be awesome. We're giving you the long-awaited house tour of our new place here in Hawaii that we rented. And I didn't want to do it right away, so we've been here for about a week, a little over a week. We wanted to get like settled into the house in the neighborhood first before we made this video. That's why it's taken so long. And if you're wondering why Jagger is in the front seat of the car, we're parked in a grocery store parking lot. He cut his second tooth today, and he's kind of cranky. The only way he doesn't cry is if he's sitting on my lap, so I didn't want to have him in his car seat and like try to start the vlog. But I wanted to give you guys kind of like a typical look at what our mornings look like. We've been getting up pretty early, like I would say like between 7 and 8 a.m. Sometimes the kids all get ready and come out with us. Sometimes they don't, like today it's just Jagger. But we go out and grab some coffee, sometimes some breakfast. Today we did run to the grocery store and we have a couple bags of groceries in the back because we're going to do like a picnic with the girls a little bit later, which is really exciting. It's going to be super fun for them.
And his favorite toys are non-toys. So like he loves plastic water bottles.
Yep. I just take the little cap off so that I don't have to worry about him like getting it off. So we're gonna get him settled and hopefully back in his car seat and then head home, and then we will show you guys everything there is to see at our new place. So we just pulled in our driveway, but we want to show you guys like the beach access from our house real quick so we don't forget to do it later when we're done showing you like the actual house. So we're going to do that right now. There's this little path that kind of goes in between the houses here, and it basically takes you out to where the ocean is. So it's really awesome. We can just like walk back and forth from our house to the beach. We've been going every day since we've been here, and it's like the girls' favorite thing.
So there's a couple people, it's like they're fishing right now. The girls have been going out in the water and boogie boarding. We've been walking the beach like every day, and they all absolutely love it. It's a really fantastic spot.
All right, we're home, and this is our front door.
Hello, welcome to our home.
You're gonna help me give him the house tour?
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to do this entire house tour while Jagger is sleeping. So don't yell, be really quiet. Okay, no, just kidding. He's like dead asleep. He's not getting up anytime soon. So when you first walk into our house, it's basically like a really, really open concept. So you can see the kitchen, the dining room, one of the living rooms like right away. This right here where Gabrielle is sitting is, what are we calling this? The kids' living room?
Well, it's like kind of like Jagger's room, like in that drawer, it looks like his toys and stuff.
Yeah, so it's really open, like I said. So here, I'll give you like the 360.
You can see the shower from the living room.
You can see like everything, so there's the front door. So this room is, yeah, we use it as like, it's like little kids' room. Jagger has a little playmat here. All of his toys are in those drawers. Those little backpacks over there have Gemma's toys and stuff in them. Art supplies. Yeah. They have a little TV over here, their own air conditioner. Something interesting about Hawaii is that a lot of the houses have like split ACs, like each room has their own, which is something that I'm not used to because our houses at home have always had like whole house AC. All right, somebody woke up. That was short-lived. He got his second tooth today.
Really?
Second tooth. Yeah, sisters haven't even seen it yet. So I'm the proud owner of 2 teeth now. Okay, so directly across from the living room, there's like this big open area, which is perfect because what did we get for Jagger?
We got like a little running toy.
He skadoodles all over the house with this.
He's on it this morning.
This was like the first thing we bought at Target for him when we got here.
Yeah, this plays music and then...
It's like the cutest thing. So he has this play mat and he has this, and so this is just like his whole little play space in here. Over here we have a really big dining room table, which you can see we like have a car seat on right now. It's kind of a catch-all sometimes during the day when we're running around, but we did bring his little tiny high chair. These are like travel high chairs. And he's got his little bowling cup. So right behind me are these 4 bar stools, and this is actually where the kids have been doing their school. Most of the time during the day. It's worked out pretty good for you guys, right? Yeah. Kind of all hanging out doing school here. It's like a little desk for everyone. Yeah. But the island is huge, so it's great. We eat here a lot, even though we do have the table there as well. And then we can even cook here so you can watch us cook.
There's space. There's a lot of space.
There's a lot of space in here. We have all of our, well, coffee makers, and we have to keep fruit over there. All right, Gabrielle, do you want to take us to your room since we're closest? We'll walk through. Well, let's show them the little utility room first. So right off the kitchen, there is a utility room. There's washer and dryer and like linens and stuff in there. You don't have to show it. Okay, or you can.
I like that.
This is like little pantry shelves. We are keeping all of our Costco like paper towels, toilet paper, water bottles, stuff. There's a wine fridge in here. That's kind of cool. So through this door is Gabrielle and Graceland's bedroom, and they pushed their beds together because they're not used to sleeping on twins and they were worried they're gonna fall off.
Yes. So we just made it a bigger
They made it like a queen or king size bed, and plus then there's more room for activities. They have their own little air conditioner, their own little mirror over here, and then what's this? This is just like shelves. You guys, sometimes you put stuff on here, but you don't really have anything on there right now.
To put our clothes on here. I had a necklace hanging here. I don't know where.
But you guys have a huge closet too. They also have a door that goes to the outside. You guys will notice that there's doors. Oh yeah, and dressers.
There's a little storage.
Oh.
They're looking for lizards.
Oh, outside the window? All right, so Dad and Jagger coming in to show us their little office space. So this is where a lot of things happen. This is where our editing computer is. This is like where Dad and I work. Although Gwyneth is doing, looks like you're doing school right now.
Usually when they're all doing it, we kind of just set it up.
That's what I told them. I said that they normally do it over here, but I guess because we're not using it right now. And then there is a little hall bathroom. Gwen, you want to show us the bathroom?
Sure.
Boop, 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 boop.
This is the bathroom.
This is a bathroom.
We went to Bath and Body Works yesterday, so we got new soap.
Oh, we did get new soap. We did go to Bath and Body Works at our mall, one of the local malls. So it's just a little like hall bath. Got a toilet, of course, little cabinets. Okay, and something super cool about this house is that we didn't know until we got here, but this is the house that Obama filmed an interview in for the Trevor Noah show. And I haven't seen the interview, but he's definitely in the house. See, there's like the kitchen and the dining room and stuff. So because I don't know, I sat in every single chair in this house just so that I can say that I sat in the same chair that Obama did. Maybe Trevor Noah too, we really like him. But that's super cool, right, hon? It was like a fun surprise to find out.
Did you show them the playroom?
We did, so yeah, this is like little kids' room. Oh, I didn't mention that this is a pull-out, so if we had guests or something, like that's kind of cool. This is like a pull-out bed. So yeah, but then yeah, we're keeping all of Jagger's toys. I didn't show this, but yeah, that's why we're keeping all of his little stuff, so it's kind of hidden away when he's not using it. And this space that the girls are modeling for you right now, this is, what were we calling this? We're calling this the grown-up living room.
So there's
like some little partitions, see them over there? So like they're still on that side, and then this side is like a bigger sofa. It's so comfortable. It has a sofa, super comfortable. This one's not a pull-out though, and then some little coffee tables you can move around. Another TV. Another really cool thing about this house is there's like a ton of awesome light fixtures.
That one reminds me of jellyfish. Like
this one?
Yeah.
It reminds me of like something you'd find at IKEA, but I like it. So something else about this house that I really like is that it's kind of like themed Hawaiian, if that makes sense. Like it's just really like kind of traditional, got a lot of like natural woods and stuff in it.
That's the thing.
Woven wood, because look at like the ceiling, super cool.
Even the tables kind of look like maybe floral. It's like really.
Well, it's got like the wood tables. There's like a lot of these really cool partitions, which is kind of nice because the space is so open. Oh, and there's some amazing skylights in this house as well. Like there's definitely not a lack of light.
Leaving the living room, here is one of the bedrooms.
So this is the room where, okay, so you sleep in here?
Yes, I
sleep in here. Gwen or Gemma also sleeps in here. So 3 of the girls are sleeping in this room.
Yeah.
And the coolest thing about this room is that it's, well, first of all, it's like really big. I think before this house was like renovated, this used to be the master. There's a couple other reasons why we think I'll show you in a minute. But this is really cool. So this bed is actually a Murphy bed. So we could put it up if we wanted, but we use it every day. So we just leave it set up like this.
Yeah.
They have their own door, just like the other bedroom. But it's super cute, super spacious. And then the girls have it set up with like their stuffed animals and maybe a little camera. What else do you have in here? You keep like stuff in the drawers?
A couple personal effects.
I have a pajama in this drawer.
Okay.
And then over here, something I think is really cool about this bed is that when it's night and you look up, you can turn on the lights.
Got your own little light up there, little reading light. Okay.
That is super cool.
I like keep my stuff in the bottom drawer. I have like my journal I have.
Journal and camera and stuff.
We didn't bring that much with us because we weren't shipping things over here. We were just traveling with what we could bring in 10 suitcases. So everybody, we bought some things while we've been here, but not like a lot so far.
And what do you got, Gretchen?
So something else I think is super cute. So when Gemma sleeps, she snuggles with the state fish of Hawaii.
And what is it?
Humu humu nuka nuka apua.
Ooh, Hawaii facts.
Yeah.
So this is the reason why we think this is the master bedroom.
Oh, this is why it is. Yeah.
Do you want to walk in and show them? So this is a closet.
So yeah, it's kind of a unique closet. But yeah, it's definitely a master closet. It's a walk-in, lots of room, and then it goes right into obviously the master bathroom, if you ask me. So
So this is the only bathroom that has like a shower. Well, the other one is more like as a bathtub. But this is the only one that has like a big shower. So we all have been like using it. That's why there's like everybody's stuff in here. But this is the bathroom where like the girls get ready, and then all of the girls, all 5 of them, keep most of their clothes and stuff in this closet, and then we use the closet in the other room that we're gonna show you next. It just made the most sense, but this is like the nicest bathroom in the house. It has vaulted ceilings. You have a ton of space, those open, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, all those open up for storage, yeah.
And then this actually opens too, because there's an outdoor shower we're gonna show you guys that has access from 2 of the rooms, which is really cool.
So for perspective, now we're back out kind of with the living room, there's the bedroom, and then over here, Gretchen, what is this, just a hallway? What is
Yeah,
it?
there's some closet space here, and then there's
Ta-da!
There's a secret door that goes to our bedroom, which is also really, really big, as you guys can see. I don't know if you want to come in all the way, babe.
Here we go.
So give them the 360.
Ta-da! I'll just go to the corner,
Okay.
and then you'll be able to really kind of see pretty well, I think.
So this
Right.
is our room. It's got a little sitting area. It's got a really cool ceiling as well. Tons of room.
Lots of room for activities.
I know.
Lots of room for like doing all sorts of stuff.
We have a door that has access to that cool outdoor shower. We'll show you guys next. And then we have our own closets. Similar to the girls. They're kind of messy right now, but they've got the doors and
it's
stuff. But we didn't bring that much stuff, like I said, so it works for us. And then the girls share the big closet. It works out.
For
And
the
then we do have a
bathroom,
little
it's kind of what
bathroom.
you'd think, right? You got a little shower in the corner, a little bit of storage, a toilet, and
This is like
sink
the
and
room
mirrors.
that's
And
completely
those all
not clean.
open up for,
It opens up. It's not clean.
you know.
But this is the one where I get ready in, and the one where Jeff, you get ready in here too. But like I said, it just makes the most sense for the kids to share that other bathroom, so it works for us. Do you want to go outside and show them that now?
Sure. So this is kind of the little, I don't know, this is one of my favorite, this is actually where I shower.
It is private. It's private.
Yeah, so this is actually, and I think it's awesome. You can see we have a couple swimsuits that are drying from yesterday, but it's perfect.
Oh, I like how Gretchen's in there for size.
Gretchen's
just so you
like,
can see
this
the
is
size
how
of
it
the shower.
goes. Yeah, right,
Oh,
Gemma?
there you are. We showed them your
Hey.
room.
Cool.
Oh, and your shoes are on the floor. You want to pick those up and put those away?
Uh-oh, and
so we
little,
have a little
pool.
Although we should have pulled it back to show so it's a little more dramatic when we showed you. It has like a cover on it so leaves don't get in it.
So there's the pool back in that corner, and it's kind of partitioned off a little bit. So there's kind of a little side yard here, and in the front, there's a little gate here keeping people back from the pool, I guess, for safety. And then there's like a whole front yard you can play in, and some cool trees. This is, what kind of tree is this? Do you remember, Gretchen?
Oh, I don't
it's
know.
a flower. I guess
It's a flower tree. Look at all these flowers.
Flower tree.
These ones are dead, but these ones are not.
Some of them, yeah. So the flowers, they're yellow. And, oh, I don't know if I can zoom in. There we go. They're beautiful yellow flowers, but then kind of some of them turn red. And whenever they come down, they spin like helicopters. And then you get like these really beautiful flowers in the yard. Hibiscus. It's a hibiscus tree, in case you already knew that at home. For perspective, I'm in the side yard now. Here's the pool. If we turn it around, there's kind of a pretty little side patio. And Gretchen or Gemma found the barbecue thing. There's a lot of little lizards kind of all over. And then once again, here's a little patio into the kitchen.
So this little patio area is my favorite spot to sit in the mornings and have coffee because it is right by our little coffee station. We've kind of looped all the way back around to the kitchen now, as you guys can see. The girls had lunch out here today. How was your lunch?
It was really good.
Gemma had a Lunchable, and then we had,
We shared this.
oh, you shared that? Was it good?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, we got some poke. Is that how you say it? Pokey?
Yep, okay.
Poke. We're gonna have poke bowls for dinner. So that's exciting. And tonight we're going to the beach because the whole neighborhood gets together and has a beach party every Friday night.
It's called Happy Hour and it starts at like 5 and it goes to 6.
It's so cool. We really do like this neighborhood a lot.
sounds good to me. So as you can see, this house is a bit smaller than our other one, but I feel like it's just a really good use of space. And the girls don't mind sharing bedrooms. Like, they already share bedrooms at home, so we have guest bedrooms and things like that. And also, I think for me, the older kids having like their own little wing over there is kind of good because it gives them a little extra privacy, which I know they like. If we did decide to kind of come out this way, this size house I think definitely would work for us, as long as we didn't get too much stuff and get too cluttered. Like, I think I packed for a couple months less than half a suitcase. I mean, really, like, I think I have a dozen shirts and a dozen underwear and 3 shorts and then 2 swim trunks. Like, that's kind of it. The girls obviously pack a little bit more than me, but we really didn't pack that much stuff to come out here, which actually makes it really easy to keep clean because overall we just don't have the clutter that we have at the other house. But this area is really great. We really love having access to that beach because we go out to that beach every day. And if the girls aren't like boogie boarding or swimming, then we just start walking, and we're getting a couple miles in, and it's beautiful, and it's just beautiful. Like, I don't know how else to describe it. It's just relaxing. I don't really know how else to describe it. It's just really beautiful and peaceful, and I kind of love it. So this area is definitely an area we would want to stay if we end up coming out here long term. We're also thinking about another couple areas that I don't know if Melissa's told you yet, but I'll let her catch you guys up on that later. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little tour of our new little spot here, and we will see you guys soon. Check us out on TikTok. I'm like the worst. On TikTok, we do some funny stuff over there, and Instagram at the Weiss Fam. TikTok is the Weiss Life. All right, thank you guys for watching. See you soon. Bye.